Hi, and welcome to another speed solve for a LeetCode easy problem. The goal is really to just solve it as quickly as possible, and we might deviate a little bit from our systematic interview approach, where we read the description, check the constraints, run through the examples, come up with a solution, do a runtime and space complexity, and then finally put it into code. So I'm trying to shortcut that a little bit in this video because it's quite a lot of fun to actually try to solve something as fast as you can. And easy problems are really good for that. And so yeah, let's just try to do this. So we're dealing with 3280, convert date to binary. It's an easy one. We're given a string date representing a date in YYYY-MM-DD format. And a date can be written in its binary representation, obtaining, converting year, month, and date to their binary representations without leaving zeros and writing them down in year, month, date format. Return the binary representation of date. Okay, cool. So I guess we just have to convert these numbers to binary and then just concatenate them. Okay, date length is fixed. Separator is set, and was guaranteed that everything else are just digits. Okay, cool. So I guess what we need is, well, we need two things. We need a function that converts a decimal number to a string a decimal number to a string or binary string. And since we're dealing with strings, I'm just going to make this a string as well. So this takes a string, and then we say n is the int value of that string. And this, you should be able to do this by heart. While n, so as long as there's a value in n, we're going to, the binary number is going to be, well, we're going to build it up as a list. So while n, we're going to do append the next digit to the binary number, which is n modulo 2. And then in the next step, what we do is we say n, we divide n by 2. That's all we do. And yeah, and in the end, we just return this, and we just join up all of these. Well, we have to convert them to strings, so we join up all of these binary digits. However, this is a pitfall. When you do this conversion, you actually have to reverse it in the end to get the correct number, because you're getting the most significant bit, so the highest order bit at the end of your list. So you need to reverse that order. Cool. And now we need to split our date by the dash. So what we do is we say for decimal number in, well, date.split, right? So we're going to iterate over all of these numbers. And if we didn't do any conversion, we just return this. So we do join them back up, and we have to join them with a dash. But what we want to do is we want to convert them, right? So we do dash to bin the decimal number. And that should be it. So let's just run this and see if it works. By the way, this is O of n time and the length of the date, and of course space as well, because yeah, so there you go. Okay, cool. That was the problem. And on to the next one.